So hello guys, ito yung ating magiging video tutorial para sa self-encoding ng ating mga members dito sa Domino of X. So for the first step, ito ang ating gagawin, i-enter natin ang ating website address dito sa ating browser. So ito yung magiging itsura ng ating browser. So just type dream big time or dream-bigtime.com and then press enter key. Okay? So, ito yung magiging main page natin. Kailangan lang natin i-click sa member login. Ito yung ating magiging step 1. So, click members login. Ito yung magiging itsura ng ating step number 2. Kailangan lang natin i-supply ang username, your password, and the verification code. Yung makikita natin sa ibaba dito sa orange box. And then, click login now. Okay, so this is our username, supply natin ang password, and then the user verification code, and then click login now button. Okay, so ito yung maging itsura ng ating dashboard. Okay, so meron tayong 2 open slots for each members to fill with their invites. So ito yung ating pupunuan ng ating mga new invites. Okay, so next, step 3, so you can click any open slots to register new members. Okay, so ito yung ating i-click. Ito yung register here. This is clickable. Okay, pwede nating i-direct dito yung ating magiging mga invites. Okay, so for example, mag-click tayo dito yung sa ilalim ni Sarah. Okay, so register here. So once na-click natin to, may lalabas na new page dyan. Okay? Okay, step 4, kailangan nating i-supply ang kanyang system access information, ang ating personal information. So, sa step 4, sa part na to, kailangan natin ang username ng kanyang new member, ang password, at saka i-re-enter natin ang kanyang password. Okay? For example, ito yung kanyang username, then the password, and then re-enter the password. Okay? And then, next one is our first name, middle name. Importante ang middle name. Okay? Kailangan natin makumpleto ang kanyang middle name. Okay? And then the last name. So, lahat ng may asterisk, okay, lahat ng may asterisk, ibig sabihin required. So, kailangan nating malagyan ng value lahat ng may asterisk. Okay? So, yung walang asterisk, pwede nyong i-skip. Okay? So, hindi siya masyadong required sa system. So, ito yung birth date natin. Kailangan meron tong value kasi meron tong asterisk dito. So, civil status, gender, kahit wala na to. So, you may skip this one. Then, the mailing information. So, we have the country. Kailangan natin may specify kung saan siya nag-origin. So, our step 5, kailangan natin i-enter ang address. So, you may enter in a single field. So, kung meron siyang asterisk, so pwede natin i-click in a single field lang. Okay, so lalo't kung mahaba ang address, pwede natin isang value na lang. And then, pwede mong ihiwalay yung kanyang zip code. And then, yung kanyang cellphone number, meron niyang asterisk, and then yung kanyang email address, meron niyang asterisk. So, kailangan meron tong value. Okay? So, the beneficiary information, kahit wala na rin to. So, you may skip this one. For the step 6, so, ito yung ating magiging network information. Okay? And then, for this part, we have to be very careful. Okay? So, yung first field is our sponsor. Okay? And then the second field is our placement username. So, ibig sabihin ng sponsor, ikaw yung direct na nag-sponsor sa kanya or direct na nag-invite. Pag sinabi mong placement, sa kanya mo i-connect yung unang o yung member. Okay, so when you spill your direct to your member, you must be the sponsor and your member will be the placement, not replacement. Okay, this is placement. So, ibig sabihin kung ikaw ang sponsor at nakapag-sponsor ka na ng 2 invites, pwede mo itong i-spill. Pwede mo itong i-connect doon sa iyong mga downline sa baba. Okay? So, for example, ito. So, si Sarah o si Rose, meron na siyang 2 invites. Si Louie at si Sarah. Then, nakapag-invite ulit si Rose ng isa pa ulit. Okay? So, si Jepoy. Pwede niyang i-spill ito kay Sarah. But, si Rose ang magiging sponsor and then placement niya kay Sarah. Okay? So, this one, I think ang example ko is i-direct pa rin niya kay Rose, si Jepoy, hindi kay Sarah. Although, kay Sarah niya i-connect. Okay? So, makikita nyo yun later on. Okay? So, ito yung magiging placement dito kay Sarah. And then, matrix position, automatic naman to. Okay? So, once na meron siyang, kung wala pa siyang left side, automatic na sa left side yan. Okay? Kung meron naman siyang left side, automatic magiging right side to. But, you have the option kung saan mo gustong ilagay. Pwede mo itong palitan. Kung wala pa siyang left side, pwede mong ilagay sa right side. So, you can change this anytime. Okay, so next is our prepaid access pin. So ito yung magiging itsura ng ating pin 1 at saka ng pin 2. Ito yung makukuha natin sa ating yung ating bibilhan ng codes kay partner Nestor o kaya kay partner Rosauro Felipe. So ito yung ibibigay nilang code sa atin para ilagay sa pin 1 at saka sa pin 2. Okay, so for example, lagay natin yung unang pin 1 at saka yung unang pin 2. And then, kailangan natin i-enter ang human verification code. Okay, so to make sure na hindi ulit robot ang ang nag-encode nito. Okay, and then press the register me button. Ito yung register me. So, once na kompleto natin yan, we have the network information, kompleto na. Prepaid access pin, so kompleto na rin yan. And then, we have the verification code, kompleto na rin yan. Make sure na meron tayong tick mark or check mark dito sa agree with terms and conditions. Actually, this is automatic itong naka-check mark. And then, click register me button. Okay, so ito yung ating maging steps number 7. So, make sure sponsor name and placement name are correct. Then, click OK. So, this time, naka-sponsor name ay si Sarah Jane Palyoso and the placement name is Sarah Jane Palyoso. So, I think this is naka-direct kay Sarah Jane Palyoso. So, placement name. So, ito lang yung example natin. So, kanina, sabi ko sa inyo, naka-direct or ang sponsor si Rose. But then, naka-sponsor pala to kay Sarah. But anyway, either of the two, pwede naman natin gawing sponsor si Sarah or pwede rin si Rose. So, ang nangyari dito, i-direct na ni Rose kay Sarah at naka-placement din kay Sarah. So, ibig sabihin, yung si Jepoy, si Sarah ang direct sponsor at naka-placement din kay Sarah. So, hindi na kay Rose. Okay? So, either of the two naman po pwede natin gawin. Okay? So, sponsor name pwede kay Rose, sponsor name pwede rin kay Sarah. Okay? So, meron lang siyang difference. Okay? So, ang difference lang niya, syempre, kapag sponsor kay Rose, naka-direct sa kanya. And then, kung naka-direct naman kay Sarah, of course, si Sarah mismo magiging sponsor niya, hindi na si Rose. Okay? So, huwag lang kayo malilito doon. Okay? And then, you have agreed that all data that you have encoded was correct, then proceed with your registration, then click OK button. Then, this is our congratulations page. Okay? So, registration successful. So, with this member, so i-register natin siya ng successful. So, when you see this screen, then you'd been registered your new member. And then, click the member login button. So, just to make sure na-encode talaga natin siya. Okay, for example, enter username, then your password, then enter verification code, then click login now. So, ito yung kanina nating table. Tingnan natin kung napa-register si Jepoy. Okay, and then click the enter human verification code, and then click login now button. Okay, so this is our updated table. So, so Jepoy is nasa ibaba ni Sarah. So, kanina nakita natin si Sarah ang naging sponsor. Okay, so siya talaga yung magiging sponsor nito. And then, placement din sa left side ni Sarah. So, okay, ganun lang kadali ang pag-encode na ating new members. Sana natutunan natin. At sana mas madali nating maintindihan kung paano mag-self-encoding. Okay, para hindi na natin iasa sa ating sponsor. Kasi kung talagang marami na rin siyang for encoding para dun sa mga new members, so at least matutulungan natin ng sponsor natin mag-encode na sariling members. Okay? So, hanggang sa muli and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.